Alright, here are all these units. Look at this. We have an Armstrong Air Concept 1000. I believe that's a scroll. I'm not getting to the data on these, so sorry about that. There's another one. Here's some more of these little Comfortmakers. Oh, this one actually has a data. I think. Limited warranty. That's all I see though. Something just shut off. There's another one. These have Bristols. Another one. No data. And one more. There's a Lennox value series. It's got a scroll. 2008, it's a 5-ton. It's not been running. There's this pretty new aisle. It's got, I think, an Emerson. Yep. Oh, Emerson Cope and Scroll. $2024, 5-ton. There's an American Standard XB. Oh, nice. Oh, that did not sound good at all, though. Just started up. It has a little bit of a weak run cap. It's blowing cold air. 2005, 2.5 ton. See if it's cooling. Oh yeah, ice cold. There's a Goodman. GSH or something. Oh, it's a Daikin. These are rare. I like seeing Daikins like this. That's a 5-ton from 2014. Up here we got last 2 units. Got 2 Amanas, really quiet. Both on. These are extremely quiet. This must be 2-stage. I can probably get back to the data on this one. Yeah. Alright, that's a 5-ton from, 2023. 13 SEER. And we got, one of these just shut off, but we got a few York Alexas. This one just shut off. 2018, 35,000 BTUs. Gentech fan motor. Motors don't sound too good. It's got an Emerson Cope and Scroll. 2018, 4-ton. This one's probably a 5-ton. But I'm not getting back to the data. Alright, so I'm gonna check for more, and I think that might be it. This one's on. This is actually pulling some heat. Oh my goodness, this is working excellent. It's good to see these still kicking. This one, I haven't seen it run yet. There's the Heil off. Emerson Cope and Scroll, that's good. And I can tell this is a Comfortmaker, it's not a Luxair. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.